What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jared Belfour for HDRams.com, and today we've got a little bit of 2019 Ram Heavy Duty news for you. Now, this morning we received some dealer materials about the 2019 Ram Heavy Duties. Now, according to these materials, the ordering for the 2019 Ram Heavy Duties is going to open Monday morning, right after the reveal. So, Monday morning, January 14th, you're going to be able to go into a dealer and order a 2019 Ram Heavy Duty. Now, to expect January orders to start arriving in dealer showrooms around March. Now, while ordering is going to open on Monday morning, we're not going to have pricing until a little bit longer. I'm not sure exactly when Ram's going to release that, but of course we'll post it up as soon as Ram releases pricing. Now, these next images are screenshots from a teaser video that Ram released today, which we'll put a link to in the description box below. Now, they don't really show us too much that we haven't seen yet, other than on this Power Wagon that's coming up. You can see on the doors the Ram badges that were missing from the pre-production truck. You can also see the Hemi badges on the fenders that were missing from the pre-production trucks, and the Power Wagon graphics there that remain the same as the graphics on the previous Power Wagons. You also get a better shot of the fender flares on the Power Wagon, which are off of the 2017 Ram Macho Power Wagon concept. Another thing that this video does confirm is that the trucks will indeed be called 2019 model year trucks, which we first told you on our website in September, instead of 2020 model years, which a lot of media outlets are still calling them. Now, going back to the dealer guide, it also lists the H.O. Cummins as being optional for the 3500. While we don't know the specifics yet, we're expecting an all-new 6.7 liter Cummins with a compacted graphite iron block to debut on Monday. Now, to learn more about the 2019 Ram HD, check out HDRams.com and stay tuned as we'll be at the North American International Auto Show on Monday, January 14th to bring you all the latest HD news, specs, video, and photos right from the show floor. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and you'll get everything live as soon as we post it up. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.